Let's talk about Mercury precession, how it happens. As explained earlier, this let's suppose this is Mercury. It is having an orbital lap position, and it flows inside the gravitational field in a given orbit continuously. But now one can see over here. I explained that gravitational field is affected because of this, takes place because of this gravitational kinetic energy line uh, flowing inward direction, making the mass flow inward. But at the same time, there is outer force is also is there. The outward force, that is the outward flow of another kinetic energy line in opposite direction. So this force, and then there is two type of force. One is inward and then one is outward. So inward is creating gravitational effect, and another is uh, outward force. So what happens is outward force is pushing the mass slightly and making it bounce off from one orbital path to another orbital path. So now one can think over here that mass from here to here, it bounces because of this force. It, because of this force, it bounces from here to here, and it comes over here. And again, same thing, gravitational effect, pulling inward effect, and then there is also outward force acting on this given mass. Then it bounces from here to here. This bounces very slightly. It happens, uh, and then it comes over here, the mass, and then again same thing. Here also there is an outward force acting on the given body. So again it slightly bounce, and I have drawn over here the mass, and this way the orbital line takes place. Another orbital line takes place. There is orbit 2. So this is how this mass, Mercury, uh, drifts from one path to another path, and orbital 2 takes place, and then it takes one rotation from here to here, and it comes back here, and again same thing happens. From here this kinetic energy line pushes forcefully, and the mass gets bounce off, and again new kinetic energy line orbital path takes place at the third round, and which I have not drawn over here. This way another third orbit appears, and this is how Mercury precession happens. And this drift happens at 0.001 days per